8th Standard English 4.2 PV Sindhu, an icon of success, warming up to action. Warming up. Question number 1. Sports equipment. Right name of the game or sports near the sports equipment shown below. Badminton, table tennis, lawn tennis, cricket, hockey, football, javelin throw, badminton, rugby. Question number 2. Match the game with the place where it is played. Cricket, ground. Badminton, golf, boxing, skating, carom. Ground, board, rink, course, court, arena. Answers: cricket, ground. Badminton, court. Golf, course. Boxing, arena. Skating, rink. Carom, board. English workshop. Question number 1. Complete the words by filling in the missing letters. Enhance, feature, lawn, noteworthy, mentor, identify. B. Make and many letter, 3 letters and 4 letters word from the word contemporary. Answers: 3 letter words: car, any, not, ape, mat, pay, cop, pot, yet, tube, man, and, are, one, two, eat, pan, cod, mean, part, cry, pira, rat, arm, per, tea, tar. 4 letter words: term, one, once, open, rent, tone, team, rope, poor, pant, earn, crop, rate, tame, mini, came, come, more, nip, army, mean, corn, neat, onto, room, trap, turn, poem, race, name, mourn, acre, poet. Question number 2. Make sentences of your own using the following phrases or idioms. A. To enhance further. Answer: these efforts were directly enhanced by her support. B. To launch. Answer: India launches advanced rockets and spacecraft. C. To create history. Answer: they create history by discovering the structure of DNA. D. Push the envelope. Answer: Indian cricket player has been pushing the envelope like no other country player had done before in history. E. Week in and week out. Answer: it is not possible for any team to win week in and week out. F. To come out of. Answer: coming out of recession is not easy for any country. Question number 3. Prepare a profile, fact file of PV Sindhu using the following points. Answer: full name Pusarla Venkata Sindhu. Date of birth 5th July 1995. Father F.V. Ramanna. Mother Vijaya. Native of Hyderabad, India. Started badminton at age of 8. First coach Muhammad Ali, Mehboob Ali. Second coach Pulela Gopichand. First major achievement as a junior, 5th Servo All India Ranking Championship for under 10 category. First international win, she won a bronze medal at 2009 Sub-Junior Asia Badminton Championship held in Colombo. Honors received 2013 Arjun Award, 2015 Padma Shri Award, 2016 Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna Award, Greatest Win in 2016, Silver Medal in Rio Olympics. Her great strength, her attitude and never say die spirit. Question number 4. Answer in short, in your own words. Question number 1. What made Sindhu take up badminton at the age of 8? Answer. Gopichand's victory in All England Open Badminton Championship in 2001 inspired and made Sindhu take up badminton at the age of 8. Question number 2. What were Sindhu's achievements till she was 14-year-old? Answer. Sindhu's achievement till she was 14-year-old. First, 5th Servo All Indian Ranking Championship for under 10 categories. Second, the single title at Ambuja Cement All India Ranking. Third, Sindhu won the doubles title at the IOC All India Ranking, Krishna Kaitan All India Tournament, the Sub-Junior. Fourth, at the National School Games in India, she won the gold medal in the under 14 category. Third, what history was created by PV Sindhu in 2016? What was her victory in the following years? Answer. Sindhu created history by reaching the finals after beating Japan's Nozomi Okuhara in the women's singles semi-final in the Rio Olympics. She won a silver medal in the finals while the gold was taken by Spanish Carolina Marin. Later she defected Carolina Marin and won 2017 Indian Open Super Series title. Fourth, what are the positive character traits of PV Sindhu? Answer. The positive character traits of PV Sindhu are her positive attitude and the never say die spirit. Fifth, what role do Sindhu's parents play during his important matches? Answer. When her parents attend her important matches, they tell what she is doing. Her dad gives a summary of how she plays, and it is very helpful to her because as outsider, those who look at it knows more about her errors or faults. Her parents tell about her game that she may not have noticed easily. Sixth, what message does Sindhu convey in the last paragraph? Answer. According to Sindhu, if he or she is one of the top players and does not play well and loses in the first or second round, he naturally feels bad. But he needs to come out of the situation and then practice hard and identify his or her mistake and learn from it. Of course, it takes time to come out of it, but he or she need to cope with. Sindhu convey this message in the last paragraph. Question number 5. Imagine that PV Sindhu has recently won very important tournament at international level. Frame an email on behalf of your school to congratulate her. Use the proper email format. From Savitribai Phule School @gmail.com to pvsindhu@gmail.com. Subject: Heartiest congratulations on winning BWF World Tour Tournament. Dear Sindhu, congratulations on behalf of our school, Savitribai Phule School, Pune. We read the news that you have made history by winning the BWF World Tour Finals tournament of December 2019. You are the first Indian to win the season-ending tournament. You beat the fifth rank Okuhara of Japan in straight games. Really, you have shown you never say die attitude. Your success always inspires young Indians. May God bless you and you keep achieving many more tournaments in your future career. Thanks for watching. If you think this video is helpful to you, please like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you. किती आहे चार्जिंग? चड्डम करून
तू ठेवून दे ना.